Hashmona, and I'm taking a picture of where our classroom used to be when I was here as an IBEX student. And you can probably hear in this room that someone's practicing the piano. This is the conference room. Chorale pianist is practicing. Maybe you can tell what song she's practicing. That's the Hallelujah chorus from Handel's oratorio, The Messiah. So I'm going to exit now and we're going to head towards the dining hall. See if I can do this without falling down the stairs. So here's the dining hall, and we'll go in there. That's where we ate our meals. There's lots of interesting foods. Memories of fluorescent rice. Toda. And here's the dining hall at Yad Hashmona, the lovely salad bar spread there, and the buffet over there where you see Doug is partaking of some food. And we've really expanded this a bit. You can see where that curtain is. There was not anything beyond that wall when we were here. But here's the dining hall. And they actually have expanded. You can see through those windows. There's a lovely room with glass windows surrounding you, so you can get a good view of the hillside. So, good morning from Yad Hashmona. Boker Tov.